Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video about Euro Index and trades in Euro pairs according to the index. So let's get started. A couple of weeks ago, I made a video about it, and it's just an update that what is still happening. Euro index, what the euro individual currency is doing. So this is the chart. This is the euro index monthly chart I made on December 2018. So you're talking about the whole 2019 and then 2020, and then we are in, like 21, 22, right? So you can imagine how many years back I located this triangle in the making. I don't want to go before that because I started making, predicting from the point C actually, that it's going to drop all the way here. But I did not mention in my picture this triangle. So here is the first time I says, okay, this is A, and then A, B, C, D, E, 5 legs in the triangle, and it's going to drop after that. And this is the chart that this is a very common chart. You can find it on the internet, maybe thousands of them. So this is the chart that I made myself, wave 3 or wave 2, whatever. But this is the triangle. If this is what's happening, then you know that, if this wobbling here, then it makes 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E, then continuation in the previous direction of this one. All right. So this is the chart I made based on that. I said, okay, A, B, C, then it will come down for D and then go for E. Now this low here also creating another triangle, which you will see. So I said, based on this one, so I said, okay, this is the chart that I'm following, and either it's going to bounce from this TL, D would be here, you're going to hit this TL and then go for E, or come all the way to the outer TL and then go for E. But that's how the route is. I mean, D is here or here, and then we're going to go for E, and then we're going to drop down for this move, wave 5. So what happened to this chart after that? So many charts I've made in between, weekly charts especially. But this is, you can see that what the idea is. I'm just giving you a big, chart with the distance of what happened really on the monthly chart. So we came down here, the first line, the first inner trend line, we bounced from there as I was expecting, and we went up for wave E. So now I said, okay, the E probably going to be here. It is either it's finished or it's going to go up here, hit this TL and this low high here, 3608, and then drop, right? So that's the idea. And this would be the way the leg E will finish this triangle, and then we will go for wave 5 to the downside. So what happened to this chart? So it went up a little bit again, and very close. I said, now, either right from where it is, because E sometimes cuts short, right? It just stays short, not touching the TL, and then drop. Oftentimes it does that. So either it's going to drop right from here, or may go and hit the upper TL and then drop to the outer TL first, inner TL first. And if we break that, this is the TL that I was expecting. And we can break that easily and then go for wave C, because that is supposed to do, right? But it will have very small bounces maybe, right? So what happened to this chart is this. So it came down here exactly, 2901, bounce a little bit, and I says, okay, bounce, and then it started reversing, and it's going to come down all the way to the outer TL. Guess what happened? Today, as of today, went down straight to the outer TL, breaking it now and going down. It even is below this level here, so we're going for 1825 now, and then maybe God knows where. But this is how this chart, remember I showed you the triangle chart. That's how it is. It is going, usually it does that. So it is speeding up to the downside since the war started, Russia-Ukraine thing. And God knows how it's going to stop, because that thing is not stopping. So if it is because of that is dropping, that thing is constantly going on. So I don't see no change happening, right? But the thing is that what good is to watch this chart, what it is doing for me. So all these years, forget about it. I mean, if I start showing the charts, that would be a long, a long day. long video, maybe a few hours or a day long video, right? But let me show you just last week and this week. Only euro pairs, only euro pairs. I have so many other trades, but I'm going to show you only euro pairs. Based on this chart, I used and I traded the last week and this week. So this is the last week trade starting from 21st February. Euro yen, 140 pip downside because the euro. EUR-NZD, 21 down, 140 pip. 21. And by the way, this all of my chart, you will see the trade, the entry, and SL move to break even right here on the left to see the entry. And this 125 pip on the 21st. EUR-AUD, again, EUR-NZD again, 22nd. The entry is here, straight down, 140 plus. EUR-AUD on the 22nd. Notice all euro pairs. I'm not showing anything else because of that euro index. It's speeding up now. On the 22nd, 75 pip, right? And this the 23rd, again, EUR-NZD. This is the one I just showed you, and then this is the next one, next day. It's keep dropping big time, right? 100 pip. On the 24th, euro yen again. It retraces a little bit and then start dropping. That's my order here. And 80 pip. On the 24th, euro yen again. That was the first one you just saw. Retrace, another one right here. And let me go back. See, this one, retrace, I open a trade here. Again, this was closed. When I take the picture, usually I close the trade. So after this one, I closed it, but I says, well, it's dropping again. So might as well just make an entry here. So I made another entry using this entry and it went down again. This is only the last week. What about this week? So far, starting from 28, February 28, EUR-AUD, 115 pip. 28, EUR-NZD, 90 pip, sell. On the 1st, euro yen again, 120 pip because of the euro index chart. On the 1st March, EUR-AUD again from here. It was the, oh, this is the first one and this is the second. Small one, 55 pip. But, you know, this level, I thought we're gonna get bounced, but we didn't, but, you know, that's sometimes, but it's still, you know, 55 pip or so. And then here, EUR-CAD on the 2nd, 110 pip, sell. And then on the 2nd, EUR-AUD, here's the entry here. By the book, and by the way, all of my entries, you can see that it is with the setup. I have to have 4 conditions met. If I have all 4 conditions there, I open the trade. If I don't see 4 conditions here, or here, or here, I would not pull the trigger. Or here, I saw the 4 conditions here, volume time as well, this one as well, and then I pull the trigger, 90 pip, okay? All of them, you will see by the book. The setup has to be there. Look at that. EUR-NZD, 100 on the 3rd today. And I think this is the last one. So far, even this week, I have like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trades, only euro pairs. And you can see the, you know, and the amount of pippage. The positive, my positive trade, produce this amount of pippage, right? 115, 80, 120, 55, 110, 90, 100. But my setup is what? If I lose, I do have SL hit, right? Once in a while, not all the time. 70% positive 3. So out of 10, 3 SL will hit and 7 will go in my way. So 7 will go in my way this time, this long, you know, 190, 80 average. And my setup requires a stop, hard stop right above the entry, this right here. So I open after a couple of red candles and put the SL here. So it is always in every pair, it's always 25, 26 pip, 24, 25, 26. I would say 25 average. So SL is 25. So what really happens is that when the price moves a little bit down, I move my SL from 25 to 15. If it continue going to the downside, I'll come and sit on a break even. If it goes up, what do I lose? 15 pip? Okay, no problem. For example, this is what happened here. It comes down here. I come and sit on a break even. break even, right? And it takes me out at a break even. No big deal. Same thing happened. Entry came down here. I come and sit here. It takes me out. Thank you very much. Break even. Right? Here, I make an entry. It goes all the way down. 100 pip, boom, cash out. That's how it is. So when you're wrong, you hardly lose. Either your SL hit or break even most of the time, or maybe 10, 5 pip, 10 pip, 15 pip, something like that. Hardly 25 pip. And then this, what happened here? All the way down. Yesterday, yesterday I was expecting pound USD and the other pair, pound Luzi, and I took one of the long entries, pound USD, I guess, and I lost 25 pip, to be honest with you, because I was just taking a chance, because you all know that euro pairs, pound, all going down badly. Pound Aussie, today I got pound Aussie almost like, I think 90 or 100 pip trade, 120 pip, sorry. So I was expecting the down, it was a pound, but I was, it's like nice long setup. It might go because I was expecting a little bit weakness in USD. So pound USD has USD on the right hand side, so it should go up, but the setup didn't work. No big deal, right? Once in a while, SL hit here, there, 10 pip, 15 pip, 25 pip, that's fine. As long as I'm pulling these amount of pip. This is, again, I'm gonna repeat this, 100 pip right here, 90 here, 110 here, 55, 120, 90, 115. If I say, if I hit my maybe 4 SL hit, average 15 pip, that's 60 pip. Right? So this is how the system works, and watching the index benefits a lot. Same thing is happening with Aussie dollar. It's strongly going to the upside, and you have so many Aussie pairs, and they are all moving. And I have trades with them as well. Even Aussie USD, I had one trade. I hate to trade that pair, but I took the entry. It was nice entry, and the Aussie was strong, so why not, right? Once in a while, not all the time. But my Aussie pairs are my favorite, Euro-Aussie and Pound Aussie. So this is how it is. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn, you want to get the system and learn how to use it, go on my website. I think it's here. You can see it here, the website. Subscribe, right? And if you need to learn from the beginning, if you're starting forex trading, you need to know every single thing, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, all these things are involved in my trades. It's just not that setup and then pull the trigger when I see the setup. No. It is, for a weekly chart and other charts, I do the analysis and then see the direction, where the heck they're going according to the Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, SNR levels, and trend lines, right? And after that, if I get the setup in my direction, I pull the trigger, and most of the time it is right. If you don't do that, all of that work, this market is tough to deal with, right? So learning is essential. So right now, see this one-on-one forex coaching. I can teach every single thing from A to Z about forex, and all kind of studies, any study at all has to do with forex. And because I've been trading almost like 14 years now. So and I'm all over the internet. It's like you can see Forex Factory and my website and my YouTube channel. It's probably 2007 or 8 I opened. So and I know everything. So this is how it is. Over the Zoom, I can teach personally one-on-one, 10-hour course, and that will make you master of all this, mumbo jumbo. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week, which is one more day.